Alright, hello boys and girls, welcome back to another edition of Crush Lusher Television. Okay, we are multiplying polynomials. Okay, so we are also looking in our textbook, page 229. Alright, so we're going to start on example 2. So write this down in your notebook. So you should have your textbook out and your notebook. Okay, and watching the video. A lot of things going on at once, but it's just like in college, you got to be able to manage everything. So, 3x squared minus 2x plus 3. This is a polynomial because it has more than one term. This has 1, 2, 3 terms. This has 1, 2, 3 terms. So, multiplying polynomials, what we're doing here is we're actually multiplying by -1. So, we're not doing the box method or anything here because we're not multiplying, we are subtracting right there. So, that subtraction says we need to distribute this. So, I'm going to leave the first part the way it is, then I'm going to add, and then I'm going to change the signs of everything. So x squared is positive, make it negative, and then 4x is positive, make it negative, and then -2 is negative, so -1 times -1 is positive. So essentially what you do is you just multiplied everything by -1. So change all the signs, so I'm now good to go. Now it's time to combine like terms. So 3x squared minus x squared is 2x squared. Great. Okay, what else do we got? Oh, -2x and -4x. That is -6x. Cool. Now we have 3 plus 2, which is 5. Done. Easy. So make sure you distribute the negative just for the second group of terms. Next. Alright. Now, page 230. Turn the page, and now let's do this one. Alright, what are we going to do? Write it down first. Oh, yeah, we are going to distribute. So this is distributive property. Boop, boop, boop. Alright, all three right there. No problem. So 2x times 7x. So 2 times 7 is 14. X times x squared is x to the third. Okay. 2x times -3x, that is -6, x times x is x squared. 2x times 5 is positive 10x. And there we go. So that is all done right there. I can't simplify because I don't have any more like terms, and so that is the acceptable answer. Alright, great. Now let's try example 4. Ooh, okay. So, write this down. 3y plus 2 times 5y plus 4. Okay, what am I going to do? Well, there's no subtraction here. There's nothing here, so that means multiply. So I'm going to multiply these two. So how do I multiply two binomials? Oh yeah, box method. Boop, boop, boop. Doot, 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 doot. All right, there you go. See if you can do it. Ready, set, pause the video, go. Do it on your own. All right, great. Let's see if you got it. That is 15y squared, 10y, 12y, and 8. Put it all together, you got 15y squared plus 10y plus 12y is 22y plus 8. Boom, there you go. So why do we do that? We always do that. That's easy. Up there is another version. Oh my God, look at this. This is also on Khan Academy. So if people are doing the 3-pointer on Khan Academy about polynomials, here we go. This is one that's exactly like it. So example 5, page 230, write this one down. Oh man. So this is not binomial times binomial. This is trinomial times binomial. What are we going to do? We're going to do a super box. Alright. So same thing. So I'm going to box it, but now I'm going to actually make it a little bigger. So, whoop. Oh. So now on the top I have 3 terms. N squared, 6n minus 2. Side we have this. N and 4. Alright, so now I'm going to tell you what to do after, but let's just combine like terms here. Or sorry, let's first multiply. So n squared times n is n to the third. Then we're going to combine like terms next. Fill in the rest of the box right now. Pause the video, ready, set, go. Alright, let's see what we got. 6n squared minus 2n, 4n squared, 24n, and minus 8. Bam. Okay, so we got all those. Alright, now we are going to combine like terms. So first we start with the highest exponent, so that's n to the third. There's no other n to the third, so I'm going to leave it like that. Then I'm going n squared. Oh, there you go. 4n squared and 6n squared combined, that is 10n squared. Okay, so now I got n, just n. So 24n minus 2n is 22n. All right, last one, the minus 8, that is the constant. That right there is, boom, that's done. Okay, so now we did the super box. Easy. All right, great. Now, ooh, look at this. Page 232, number 50. Write this one down, another super box. We're going to do this one. Okay? Write this down. Now, let's see if you can get the super box together and solve it. Okay? So, we got x squared, we got xy, and we got y squared, and we got x minus y. All right? So try and fill this out, see what you got. Ready, set, pause the video, go. All right, let's see what we got. So x to the third, okay, great. This is going to be xy times x, so that's going to be x squared times y, because x times x is x squared. And then we have xy squared. You got 100% yet? Whoop, this is negative x squared y. Always put x before y because that's the way it is in the alphabet, yeah. Now I got, ooh, negative y times y, so that's negative xy squared. And last but not least, negative y squared times y, that's negative y to the third. Ooh, okay. Now let's combine like terms. Now it's a little trickier. So first we'll start with x to the third. Boom. Nothing else is like that. Oh, x squared y and negative x squared y. Those are both the same terms because they have the same variables, the same powers. So that equals 0 when you add them up. Okay. Now, xy squared, negative xy squared, both like terms. Oh, add those up, you get 0 also. Goodbye. Oh, and I got minus y to the third, and I'm done. There you go. Excellent job. Okay, so now, where are we at? So now we're going to page 231. Now is your chance to practice. Oh, we're going to do 23 to 33 odd. Right here. Check the answers in the back of the book. So 231, look at this section and go check the answers in the back of the book. Every single one you do, check the answer and complete it. You need to practice. Ready, set, great job, go.